Today on Tucker Time, we're going to make galaxy ornaments. All you need is paints. I can't hold it. Paints. Clear Christmas ornaments. You can find them at the crafts store or the Dollar Tree. And something like an egg crate for a drawing. It's my hat. First, you need to carefully take your lid off of the ornament. Now choose your paint. You have to take tiny drizzles and tip it around a little. All you need to do is take a couple drops and pour it in just like I did right here. Drizzle it along the sides and around the top. I've done this lots of times.
There, see that?
See?
Okay, now keep going.
Now time for the fun part. You're trying to cover the inside of the ornament. Keep moving it around and around. I bet you that's stuck in your head. Tap it until it gets all the rest of the inside. No empty spaces. Once it's done, put it in the egg crate to dry. Make sure to turn the ornaments around every once in a while it dries. If you see any empty spots, just bang it around. On to the next! Just keep tapping, just keep tapping, just keep tapping. Oh. Like a kaleidoscope.
Okay, your audience just fell asleep.
Look at it, Bobby. Dude, it looks like a biome. This is my favorite we ever made. If you get tired, just let someone else do the work. We're going to let these dry overnight and show you the finished result. And for now, stick until the end. Bye-bye! Watch these dry! I'm going to watch YouTube while you watch paint dry. Did you really think I would make you watch paint dry? 24 hours later. Once they're done drying, put the lid back in, tie a pretty bow, and you have the perfect Christmas ornament. See? I will hold it from the top so you can see all of it. Diagonal, no, do a 360 around it. There. Isn't that cool? I hope you liked my video on Galaxy Christmas ornaments. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Turn the ornament.
Okay, actually, without the
To drop.
Try it again.
So
Try it again.
try to turn your make sure every once in a while.
Try it again.
So make sure to turn the ornament every once in a while.
Is it the word while? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Make sure to turn. If you see any. I had another.
I know, but you did good.